Start by grabbing a section of your hair, divide this into two, and start twisting the front section away from your face and bring this to the back. Now repeat the same for the other section. Twist it and bring it over to the back. You want to repeat the same motion over and over again until you come to the end and add an elastic to it. And now we'll repeat the same on the other side. Be sure to do as much as twist as possible because once you add the elastic and let go, it's definitely going to loosen up and unwind a bit. Once both the sides are done, bring both the pieces to the crown of your head. Add a scrunchie to secure them and pull out the strands to loosen up the twist. And there you have it, a cute little half updo that's absolutely effortless. For the look too, you have to start sectioning your hair at the crown of your head. Add an elastic to it. Whispers echo in the night. With your kiss, my soul ignites. And then make a hole in this section and pull your hair through the hole. Now gather all your hair together and add a scrunchie to it. And slightly pull the hair out to loosen it a bit. And there you have it. That's look 2, a low pony with a twist. Literally, a twist. We're going to do a classic half updo for the girlies who like a little action that can be seen from the front too. Start by pulling out a few framing pieces in front of your face and gather a section of your hair. Bring both the sections from each side above the crown of your head. Now take a scrunchie and secure the hair at the top of your head. If you have wavy hair like mine, add a bit of water and a curl cream and finger curl your front pieces to get some shape into them. Or you could also use a curling iron to curl them or a straightener to straighten them. It's up to your preference. And that's look 3. For this look, we're going to use a scrunchie. Leave a bit of framing pieces in the front and gather all your hair into a low pony. Secure it with a scrunchie. Now we're going to make a hole at the side of the pony and pull your hair through. Make sure to bring it over and under. Tighten the pony a bit if it gets loose and then pull a few strands at the crown to create volume. And that's look 4. For the final look, we're just going to use the claw clip. Place the claw clip at the crown of your head, gather all your hair together and start twisting it. Bring your hair to the right side of the claw clip and wrap it around the claw clip and clip it in. And that's it, you got a cute little bun. If you like this video, you know the drill. Like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.